Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. In this video, two views are given. This is front view and top view. Two orthographic views are given and we have to create third view. So this is a block. The sizes are given here. The length of this block is 90 mm and height is 70 mm, total height. And this thickness is 40 mm here, and these are the steps at 20 mm and this 40, this again at 20 mm there is a step, and this 30 mm step is there in between. The T shape is there like this. So we have to create a third view. So then how to create third view? Okay, now let us see here. So if you look from this side and you have to make a view this side like this. So from these two views we can try to make a isometric view also. If you see here in these two views, so this total length is 70 mm. So if I turn this to 90 degree, then it is clear that this portion height is 70 mm here the step is at 70 mm, and this 40 by 40 and one step is there. So this shape we can make like this. This is 40 by 40 height and a step is cut here 20 by 20 mm, and extra this is here 30 mm width, and this is also 30 by 30 like this. So one thing is clear that this shape is there definitely from these two views. From these two views, it is very clear that at least this shape is there. So with this shape, now for creating this third view, what we can do is we can draw these projection lines like this, the horizontal two lines and two vertical lines. Okay, so this at 70 mm height, and this is also at 70 mm height. We can create these projection lines, and one line at 45 degree, because this line is projected like this here, so length will be 70 like this. So and this total height will be 40. This is clear, and this step is there. If you see this step, so this step is there, this 20 height and like this step we can make like this here. And because this size is 40 by 40, so 140 by 40 square also we can make it here. So and this much is clear here. And now what thing is, in this view if you see here, there is no line in between on this surface. This surface is straight like this. But here if you see, there are three steps in this portion. In this portion if you see, there are three steps. Three steps means in between there is a step. Some step is cut here up to this depth, because this line is there. That means up to this depth one step is there. So we can create this one step here. We can cut this material, we can make this view like this, and we can cut here. So one step is there like this. So again, if you see here, there are also three steps. Three steps is there. That means some this extra material is there in this portion. One step is there here like that. So we can add this one step here in between this 30 mm long and 20 mm deep, one step here. We can add this block like this. If you add this block, by adding this block and by subtracting this block, if you compare these views, if you see this view is solved now, I think, because three steps are there, lines are there. This is solved, this portion. and this portion is also solved because these three steps are there like this, and this line is visible, this line here also visible, and this step is there, this step is there. So that means this view, from this isometric view, this view is very clear. So it is there. Now if you see this view, for this view, if you look from this angle here, and if you take this view, you will come to know that these three steps, all these three steps are there like this, and in the upper portion also three steps are there. These are three steps, all lines are there. So that means this is also solved. So these steps are solved here. That means these we can solve these views. So now we can create a very easily third view also by looking this from this side. If you look from this side, this isometric view, then there will be steps like this. These we have already created. Only one thing is there, one hidden line is there in this step. This step is cut by 20 mm deep, so there will be a hidden line, and that hidden line is here like that. So this hidden line is there. So this way we can, with the help of this exercise, making a rough isometric view, and then making the steps in between, and then solving these views, we can create third view very easily. So this way you can do it. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. We shall meet you soon in next video. Thanks.